Okay, so a lot of people ask themselves why I cannot withdraw money from my Roth IRA account. And the reason why is because you don't have enough funds. What? I had $3,772. Let's see. So what we gotta do is we gotta actually click on where it says transfer, EFT, electronic fund transfer to or from a bank. Click there and we're gonna select our Roth IRA. And right now it says 0.33 cents. And select the account to transfer to Bank of America. And from here, it says, if you like to transfer more money that you current cash available, you may be able to sell investments to free up the additional cash. We can help you to do that in the next few steps. Okay, great. Let's do that. I need $50. I'm going to continue. And then while you generally don't have to pay federal taxes on Roth IRA distribution, you can still choose to withhold a percentage. In this case, I don't, because I already paid taxes when I did my taxes on this money. So I'm going to click continue. And then right here it says sell investments and free up cash to complete the transfer. So I'm going to scroll down. Amount you need to sell is $49.67. So in here, it actually tells you what to sell in order to complete the funds that you need. So I'm going to click here. Oh, so these are the eligible investments that you can sell in order to get those $50 out. But these are the ineligible investments. So, and if I click here, most are the ETF. So QQQ, SPID, SWAT, Vanguard, BOO, index funds, all those ETF, they're ineligible too. So you don't have to do that. But however, the mutual funds, you can actually do it. So let's see right here, Fidelity, FX, AIX. So I'm gonna click here, 49.67. And that's the amount I need to complete my $50. I'm gonna click continue. I would recommend to sell a little bit extra just in case the market changes, like $52. Okay, so review the transfer before submitting. And what here is showing you that you're selling $49.67 in order to complete the $50. So I'm gonna click submit. You have submitted transfer request. So basically what it's doing right now is selling, so that way you have enough money to complete the transfer. And then the money will be set to your account between 3 and 5 business days. It might be less, but this is how you transfer money from your Fidelity account to your bank. You gotta sell. All right. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please leave a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you next video. Bye-bye.